Life of the people. Population is low in the frigid zone due to the extremely cold climate. So the population is very low in the frigid zone. Why? Because the climate is very cold. Life is next to impossible in the continent of Antarctica in the southern hemisphere. The uh, Antarctica, which is present in the southern hemisphere of the earth, it is impossible to live because the temperature is very low, and the climate is very cold. In the northern hemisphere, people live near the coast where snow melts in summer. So in the northern hemisphere, the people live, you can say, as compared to the southern hemisphere, people live in the northern hemisphere, especially in the frigid zone. Why? Because during the summer the snow melts. The people who live in the frigid zone are the Inuits of Greenland, Russia, and Canada, and the Aleutians of Alaska. So the people who live in the frigid zone are they live in these area. That means Greenland, Russia, and Canada, and the Alaska. They live in permanent house made of wood. So their house is made up of wood. The main occupation of the people are hunting and fishing. So the main occupation of the people who live in these areas, their main occupation is hunting and fishing. Agriculture is not possible as the ground remain frozen for the most of the year. So the agriculture is not at all possible. Why? Because the ground remain frozen for the most of the year, and they are covered with the ice and snow. Nowadays people are able to grow some crops in summer when the snow melts. So in the summer season, when the snow melts, okay, so they grow some crops, especially in the summer season. They wear clothes made from wool and animal scale. So the people who are living in these areas, they wear clothes made from wool and animal scale. People travel by sledges pulled by dogs and use a snow mobile. So the people, they travel how? With the sledges. That means it is an instrument pulled by the dogs. Okay, this is known as a sledge, or use a snowmobile. That means it is a snowmobile. It is a kind of, you can say, a motorcycle which run only in the snow. So these are the two instruments through which they travel from one place to the another. Did you know there are many research uh, there are many research stations in Antarctica where scientists live for short period of time. So there are many research centers which are present in the Antarctica, which is present in southern hemisphere of the earth, and they live for a very short period of time. McMurdo station is the largest research station in Antarctica. So this is one of the uh, largest research station which is present in Antarctica. So not only, you can say, other countries, they have their research center, but also India also have their many research center in the Antarctica. So with this we end the chapter.